hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are doing a book haul. Now I know what you guys are thinking, Melody, you just had Christmas. You had like a million books for Christmas. Yes, I did. I have no self-control when it comes to books. I am obsessed with reading. I love buying books. My Amazon wish list only ever gets longer, and it is becoming a serious issue. If I see any cute books on Instagram where the front cover looks adorable, I will add it to my wish list. Like, no matter what the book's about, it's added to the wish list. So I did some damage. Hang on. I feel like I'm going to drop these. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we have a haul. Wait. Okay, yeah, that's all the books. Now, I have no excuse, really. They just bring me a lot of joy, so I thought I would do a haul just to make it up to myself that I feel like it was worth buying them. Does that make sense? Anyway, so today I have 15 new books to share with you. I feel like 15 is a really okay amount for a book haul. I feel like it's definitely substantial. So without further ado, we are going to dive right in. I also did film a kind of shop with me vlog, sitting in the car, chatty style video a little while ago. I think you guys would have seen it by now, so if you haven't seen it, make sure you watch it, where I featured some of these books, but I'm going to go into a little bit more detail in this one. So without further ado, we are going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. So the first place I went to was WH Smith's, and I feel like it gets overlooked for a book shop, to be honest, because I feel like a lot of people go to the Works, which I don't blame you, the Works is fab, it is my haven, and also Waterstones, and other than that I think people tend to forget about WH Smith's. I don't know, I never see a lot of hauls on YouTube for Smith's, but anyway, I went in there the other day and they had a 2 for £12 paperback sale on. They've had it on since Christmas. It is a very good sale, so definitely check it out. And I noticed they had these 2 books in there, and I was instantly gonna just pick them up straight away because they were new releases. I went into Waterstones literally just before and I was gonna pick them up in there, and they were £9 each, I think, whereas these were 2 for £12. So I had to pick them up. The first one is Forever Interrupted by Taylor Jenkins Reid, and the second one was After I Do, again by Taylor Jenkins Reid. These are both new releases in the UK, so I'm really excited about having these, and I also love the fact that they match. Like, I know it sounds really stupid, but all of my Taylor Jenkins Reid books are kind of the matching fonts and covers, which brings me joy. I do need to pick up Maybe Another Lifetime, which is another new one. I haven't found it yet for a reasonable price, so I might have to order it on Amazon just so that it kind of matches the rest of the collection, but I'm really excited about this. I absolutely loved The Seven Husbands of Evelyn Hugo. Hard to say. So I'm really excited to dive into these 2. I have no idea what these are about. They could be awful, but we're going to find out, and I'm just really excited to own them. So I got these 2, again, 2 for £12, absolute bargain. So now moving on to the Works. Now the Works is where I do a lot of my damage, I'm not going to lie. However, all of these books were £17, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 books. So I think that is actually really reasonable. So the first book I picked up was Loathe to Love You by Ali Hazelwood. This one is a new release, and this one was £5. I had to pick it up. I think it is 3 novellas in a book, which is really exciting, so I'm really looking forward to that. They are called Under One Roof, Stuck With You, and Below Zero, so I'm really looking forward to giving these a read, and yeah, I'm just really looking forward to it. So that's the first one I bought. It was £5, and I think it's currently like the book of the week at the moment, so yeah, very excited about that purchase, love that. And the other 6 books I also picked up were in the kind of 3 for £6 deal, so all of these were £12. So the first one I have is When in Rome. I'm not gonna lie to you, I literally picked this up because the front cover is adorable. That is the only reason. I don't even know what this is about. I assume it's like a Rome romance book, and it's also written by the same person that wrote the cheat sheet, so I thought I had to pick it up. And again, it was only £2.50 or 3 for £6, so I could not pick that one up. We then have The Key to My Heart, which is by Leah Lois. I think that's how you pronounce her name. Again, the front cover drew me in, I'm not gonna lie. How cute is that? I just absolutely love it. Something to do with music. I just thought, you know what, let's pick that one up. I was just really, really excited about it. And by the same author, I also picked up 8 Perfect Hours, again, just for the front cover, because I just feel like it's just really cute. It just looks like a really nice, easy kind of lounging about on a Sunday read. It's only 310 pages, so really not massive at all, but I'm just really looking forward to it, and I felt like I had to get both of them just because they look nice together. It's a problem, I know. Tell me about it. I have issues. The next book I picked up was a murder mystery, and this is The Trust by M.H. Eccleston. I'm not really sure, but this one just drew me in because firstly I loved the front cover of it. I'm not gonna lie, like I always go by a cover. If I hate the cover, I probably won't buy the book. I know that's awful, but I just don't. But this one is more of a murder mystery, which I love to sprinkle in every now and then. My brain sometimes has enough of the dark romance and like the spicy reads and like the really cheesy romance books. I need like a good murder mystery thriller kind of book. So I bought this one just to like mix it up a little bit. So I'm really excited about that one. And then to go along with that one, I also got Dream On by Angie. I can't see her name because the label's over it. Give me 1 second. I'll just pull that off because I have no idea. Angie Hockman. I only picked this one up because the front cover was absolutely adorable and I feel like it's just so pretty and I had to pick it up. So that is literally why I picked this one up. I think this one is just a standard romance book. Yeah. The writing is really small though. That makes me uncomfortable. I don't like small font. Look at how small this is. I feel like that's really small. But it's cute, so I'm really excited about that one. And lastly, from the works, I got Adult Assembly Required by Abby Waxman. And I think this one, again, I'm not really sure why I picked this one up. It just looked really, really cute and looked like a really easy read. This one has quite a few pages actually. It's over 370 pages long, so it is a bit more of a chunky read, but it just looked really cute and I just loved the look of it. And it looks like one of those books where I feel like if you don't know what to read, pick up a really good like cheesy romance kind of book and it's a done deal. So I bought that from the works as well. And lastly are some books which I picked up from Waterstones. The first one is probably the most exciting thing I've ever bought in my life, and that is The Midnight Game by Cynthia Murphy, and it is a signed copy and I am so excited about this because I feel like Cynthia Murphy's writing is honestly incredible. She's the queen of plot twists and I'm just so excited to read this. It looks like such an easy read. The font is nice and big. I'm so excited to read this. I might make this my next read because I just cannot wait any longer to pick it up and read it. So again, I have no idea what this is about. I tend to not read the backs of a lot of books, to be honest with you. I go in blind and I absolutely love it. So I'm just so excited to give this a go. There is no doubt that I will love this book, so I had to pick that one up for sure. I then found a book by Scarlett St. Clair, and this is A Game of Retribution. However, this is a I don't know if this is a duology or a trilogy, I'm not too sure, but it's not the first book, so I need to go and buy the first one. But I really, really love the look of this. I love the matte cover. It's such a good, it's got a good flop to it, do you know what I mean? And I'm just really excited to give this one a go. This is a Hades saga, so I am going to have to pick up the rest of the series. I think you can get this on Amazon as well, so I am going to have to pick it up, but I'm just really excited about it. So I picked this one up on a whim. It was $8.99, very excited about that. And lastly is a series which I've had on my wish list for probably about 7 months. Since I got into reading, this was one of the first series I put on my wish list, and I've been putting off buying it for a very long time, and I don't really know why. And I've kind of said to myself this year that at the start of every month when I get paid, I'm going to buy myself like a little series off my wish list and then hopefully try and like calm myself for the rest of the month. So this month I decided to buy a little series by Sierra Simone, and it is the Priest, Sinner, Saint, Midnight Mass series. I don't know what this is called. I have no idea what this series is called, but do you know why I'm really infuriated? Is because I bought all of these from Waterstones. So tell me why the novella is taller than the rest. Like, it's really annoying me, and I just feel like it just makes my OCD just go wild, so I'm gonna have to figure out what to do about it. And also it's like a different colour. Do you see what I mean? Like, it's so weird. Anyway, so I picked up these by Sierra Simone. We have Sinner, Priest, Saint and Midnight Mass, and I don't know the reading order and I don't really know what these are about, but I've had these on my wishlist for ages. I think they might be like dark romancy type of books, but they are just stunning. This is the international edition cover, and I just think they're beautiful. I think the ones that you can normally get have like men on the front, not a vibe for me. I love a discreet cover, so I picked these up and I absolutely love them, and they were, I think they were quite not expensive, but they were probably around $8.99 each, which even this one was like $7.99 insane. But yeah, I'm really excited to finally have these. I've been wanting them for months, so there is no other justification other than I really wanted them, so that's why I bought them. So that is everything for my January book haul. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. Am I going to keep buying books? Yes. Do I have a problem? Yes. But I feel like the first kind of step is to admitting that you have an issue, and then we can kind of go from there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you have any book recommendations, or feel free to have a look on my Amazon wish list at what I'm going to be buying next, and if there's anything you guys might want to buy, let me know down below. But that is everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!